How do I replace the drive belt on Hustler ST? Mower stopped pulling and looks like the drive belt came off or is broken.
I have some detailed instructions for you to help you install that belt. 1. Park the mower on a flat surface and stop the engine. Make sure deck clutch switch is in the down, OFF, position. Remove ignition key. Place the steering control levers in the park brake position. Make sure the blades are stopped before leaving seat. Disconnect the negative battery cable. 2. Lower the deck to the lowest setting. 3. Remove the deck covers. 4. Using a tension spring hook, Hustler part number 604462, disconnect the tension idler spring from the spring mount to release tension from the deck drive belt. Note: the spring and spring mount will become loose and can become misplaced. Set these aside after removal for easier access upon reassembly. 5. Raise the rear of the mower and block with certified jack stands. 6. Remove the deck drive belt from the electric clutch pulley located on the engine shaft. Note: do not remove the deck drive belt from the deck spindle pulleys. It will only need to be removed from the electric clutch pulley at the rear of the mower. 7. Locate the tension idler spring. Securely clamp locking pliers onto the spring at the end located next to the idler arm. 8. Release the transaxle drive belt tension, using the locking pliers, to remove the tension spring from the idler arm. Swing the idler arm out of the way. 9. Remove the transaxle drive belt from the transaxle drive pulleys and the engine pulley. 10. Replace the transaxle drive belt and route it around the engine pulley and the transaxle drive pulleys. 11. Make sure the transaxle drive belt is routed correctly around the tension idler before attaching the tension spring. Using the locking pliers, reattach the tension spring to the idler arm to retension the transaxle drive belt. Remove the locking pliers from the tension spring. 12. Reroute the deck drive belt around the electric clutch pulley. Make certain the belt is routed properly around the spindle pulleys and stationary idler pulleys. Using the tension spring hook, 604462, retension the deck drive belt by pulling on the deck belt idler spring and hooking it in the spring mount on the deck. 13. Reinstall the deck covers. 14. Raise the rear of the mower and remove the jack stands. 15. Lower the mower. 16. Reattach the negative battery cable. I hope that this helps you. It has been a pleasure to assist you. Please take a moment to rate your experience.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.